Our broilers are 37 days old today, which means we have 5 more days to raise them to day 42 and also sell them off. So in this farm diary session, I'm going to be sharing with you the activities we did over here in our farm in raising our broilers on the 37th day. Probably you might learn 1 or 2 things you can apply in your farm, and the video is starting right now. I want to give a big viewer shout out to Vuzumuzi in Chunu. In one of our previous videos, Vuzumini asked a question in the comment section. He said, between buying the old chicks and hatching your own chicks, which one is better? Definitely owning the whole process is way better than buying them all the time. If you have good breeder stock and you have hatching equipments like the incubator, you have constant electricity, my dear, go on and hatch your stuff yourself. Just get good breeder, raise them to the egg laying stage, allow the male to fertilize the female egg. You are in business. So I want to give you a big shout out for asking this question on Chuno. On the 37th, since we have 5 more days to raise this birds to complete 6 weeks, which is day 42. At this point in time, the health status of the bird is very, very, very important to us. Because at this point, we are trying to prevent anything that will make us give them medication. You know, most of these medications come with withdrawal time. If for any reason we happen to give them any medication, for our conscience sake, we will have to leave the birds to stay more than that 42 days so that the withdrawal time will expire before we can sell it off to the public. So this is for public health matter right now. On the 37th, we discarded the previous day's water and then we replace it with plain water. And then we clean the cups of the nipple and serve them the feed. Routinely, someone comes in to check on the birds. That's basically what we did here on the 37th day, raising our broilers. So how do you raise your birds? What are the activities you do in your broiler farm, raising your broilers on the 37th day? Please feel free to share with us in the comment section of this video. If you have any question, also drop it in the comment section. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and then see you tomorrow on the 38th.